Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to turn any AI generated pendant image or any circular design image and turn it into a smart object mockup that you can reuse forever. We'll go from this to this, a perfect perspective matching smart object. You can drag and drop your design into it in seconds. Whether it's for Etsy or a client, this mockup trick helps your design stand out and save serious time. Let's jump in. Okay, so we are in Photoshop. First, we will create a new file, a 3000 by 3000 with 300 resolutions, and hit create. Now, once we're in Photoshop, let's get our base image. Here I have a pendant image with a circular pendant right here. Okay, this image I made using ChatGPT. Alright, so first we will create a square. To do that, let's select this rectangle tool, make a square and make it 2000 by 2000. Hit enter. Okay, now let's change it into what? Alright, now why did I choose rectangle over using a circular shape tool? So with a rectangle, it's very easy for us to adjust the designs in the file later on, because as you can see, Photoshop canvas is square or rectangles, so it make it easiest for us to adjust the design later on. Okay, so let's rename this to design and turn it into a smart object by right clicking it and clicking convert to smart object right here, just like that. Now we have our smart object. Next, we will adjust the perspective and size of the square that we have to match with the size and perspective of the pendant. To do that, let's lower the opacity down to 50%. Hit Command T and let's resize the square first. Okay, so we will make it so it will have the same width first. Okay, just like this. Nice. Okay, next let's hit Command T and stretch it down a little bit, just like so. Also the top part a little bit. Nice. Now we will grab our pen tool right here, pen tool, and we will make a selection of the circle. To do that, just click and then click, but now hold and drag, just like that. We will make our circular selection using this tool, just like this. You go here, just like so, just like this. Go here, let's see, go here, and we can go back to this and adjust this one so that it will match with the circular thing that we got going on here, just like that. Okay, now we will go here with the pen tool and make a selection. Once you make it, we will give it a mask by clicking. Once you have your selection, we will make a mask using this mask tool right here. Now we have our smart object match with the circle pendant. Right, as you can see, here we have some shadows and here we have some highlight. Right, to add that details, we can double click on the layer, select this inner shadows, move the angle to -190 because that's where the shadow come from. Close the distance and the size, maybe slightly move it up a bit. Once you do that, hit OK, and we have our shadows, our little pretty shadows on the pendant. Great. Now let's go into the smart object by clicking the icon right there, and we will now put our design into this thing. Here I have a duck design with a golf club. This is a very cute design. Let's remove the background, hit save and close. There you go, you have your circular template mockups ready to use. We can put some color for the background. Let's choose something yellow, maybe. Something cute, something nice. Make a new layer. Give it colors. This is too bright. Maybe like this. Hit save, close, and there you go. You have your circular smart object mockups that you can use. Now we can save it as a mockup. The mockups. Hit OK. Great.
Now that you have created your mockup template, pair it with Bulk Mockup Photoshop plugin or Bulk Mockup web app to generate hundreds of mockups in minute with just a single click. For this example, I am going to use the Bulk Mockup web app. All you need to do is go to app.bulkmockup.com. I dropped the link in the description. Now follow these simple steps. Click here or open the folder containing your templates, drag and drop your templates here. Scroll down, open the folder containing your design files, select them all and drop your design files here. Lastly, scroll down and hit on Generate Mockups. Now here is an important notice. Don't leave this page until the process is complete. Go ahead and hit on Start Bulk Generation and voila, all your mockups will be generated within minutes. Go try Bulk Mockup. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.